Hello, I'm Dr. Paul Johnston, and you see me standing out in front of our animal clinic here with my good friend Roscoe, a 3-year-old English setter who my wife Janine and I have been blessed to have since he was an 8-week-old puppy. Now, we did this little YouTube production in celebration of Pet Dental Health Month, which was in February, so we understand it took a little longer than expected, but we also put it together to give you a little tour of the clinic and introduce you to some of our staff. Oftentimes, as you will see, on a bit of a lighter note. So despite that, just let me tell you how happy and proud I am to have these people work with me, and I hope you'll enjoy this. 50? What a chub!
50.
Roscoe! You would be
muscle, just like his father.
You must have a really big chest. Okay, here we are inside. I'm just going to give you a brief introduction to our staff. Hiding behind that computer over there is Ellen Robarts, who just joined us last September. Say hi, Ellen.
Hello, everybody.
Okay, now wait a minute. Stop a minute. Got to turn around. Come here. That's fine right there. Get your hands down, for God's sakes. I'm going to do some editing. Go pose with Roscoe there somehow. Oh, here we miss Wendy Jensen, one of our favorite receptionists. So Wendy is carrying what around in her hand?
Some juice for tonight.
Okay. Good. Okay, here we have Charmaine Pemberton. Charmaine has been here for 10 years now. Many of you have got to know her well. She's a proud mom just a year or so ago, and where would we be without her? Okay, now we're inside. As you know, Sarah is going to help Roscoe take us on a tour through the clinic. So this is Sarah Locke, our multi-talented equine assistant, front desk receptionist. You name it, Sarah can do it. Sarah, take us to the examining room, and we'll go back and see the treatment area. Here we are in the exam room. Roscoe, why don't you get up on the examining table, and while we're at it, Roscoe, let's just have a look at your teeth. Sarah, do you want to show us how to examine Roscoe's teeth? I'll home right in on his canines there, and his molars in the back. See if I can get a...
Slippery lips.
Despite my best efforts, Roscoe has a little bit of tartar here. And just pull him back a little more. He's good about it. So we have to continue to work on that, don't we, Ross? All right, here we are entering the treatment area. Off in the distance, trying to ignore the camera, there's Dr. Janet Higgins. Trying very well and doing quite a good job, I might add. Ooh, that was a warm, enthusiastic wave from Janet. Oh, who is that masked woman over there? Here we have Dr. Josephine Grant, who just joined us back in November, I guess we'll say it was. Doing the things she loves to do, walk around in surgery gowns and enter her records. Ooh. Janet, by the way, joined us in June of 2002, Janet? Is that right?
That's correct.
That is correct. Now, here you're about to meet Dr. Susan Walker, who has been with us for several years, and many of you know already. And you're also about to meet her little Chihuahua, who has quite a condition known as hydrocephalus. Now, excuse her sticking on her tongue here. That's just her imitating her dog. So let's have a look at Simon.
Kill all puppies! Kill all puppies! Oh! Go away.
Wouldn't you worry if you brought your veterinarian to that? I mean, your pet to that. That professional lady is one of our star veterinarians, believe it or not. She really does love the dog, as you can see. So give your dog Simon a big kiss. Now I need a before and after picture of Simon. This is after. Where's a photograph of him before?
You better spend my going YouTube until I lose 15 pounds.
All right.
No, camera
All right, here we're focusing in. Now, folks, there is the before and after picture. Get your tongue back in your mouth. Oh,
we don't have a tongue out.
Simon after. Simon before with his hydrocephalus.
And blood, of course, is positive.
This studious person is Amanda Spencer. Down here doing a urinalysis.
Yes.
Amanda is our technician for the last, how many years, Amanda?
I don't know, since 2003.
2003, and she was a student here before that, so we've been graced with her presence for quite a while.
That sounds good.
Yes, well, we're happy to have her here. This is her lab on here that I showed you earlier that she's working away in. Roscoe, no, you can't leave, Roscoe. Take us over to the prep room there, Roscoe, and show us that. We're not going to allow him to enter in because he's not prepped for surgery at this point in time. In the prep room we have one of our AHT students, Kara Ryan, she's from Olton College in New Brunswick. She's here for a month helping us out, and she presently is one of our favorite people. Let's just focus in and see if we can get a little flush on her. That was nice. Perfect. So she's cleaning the day's instruments after surgery this morning. Alright, we're going to pan out of that. We go from the prep room into our surgery room. Now I'm just going to hold the camera in the door, but this is our surgery table. And the lights, we're pretty much done surgery for the day, but you never know, it can be called into use at any time. What's this? It looks like Roscoe is getting ready to go into surgery. As you can see by his tail, he doesn't seem too distressed by this procedure. As far as Roscoe is concerned, any attention is good attention. Over in this corner of the treatment area, we have that small little white machine is a chemistry machine which allows us to do profiles and some individual tests with immediate results within 10 to 15 minutes. And the larger white machine is a CBC machine, which allows us to do a complete blood count, i.e. the red blood cells and a white blood cell count with a differential and assessment of possible infection and or anemia. Okay, well that's the conclusion of our little introduction to the hospital and our Pet Dental Health Month. So on behalf of all the receptionists at Avon Animal Hospital, try to remember that.
You're supposed to say.
I'm going to go 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. On 3. No, sorry. Remember.
Pets need dental care too.
How professional was that? Well, thanks for watching our production on YouTube. Please check back regularly under our account name, Avon Vets. We'll hopefully get together a few more productions on some surgical procedures or other health concerns regarding the welfare of your animals. So, again, we appreciate your time.